Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to solve 7 problems in haloalkane and haloarene chapter. Now let us see the first problem. Simple one. Which of the following is not chiral? That's a question. What is chiral means? You know that around the carbon atom all the groups are different. That's called chiral. So among this we have to find out. Okay. But the question is which of the following is not chiral? Okay. So here suppose if I take the first compound, 2-hydroxy propanoic acid. So propane means what? Propane means how many carbon? We have 3 carbon. Understood? Right. 3 carbon. 2-hydroxy. 2 having what? OH group. Understood? 2 having OH group. Okay. Then propanoic acid. No. Propanoic acid means here COOH group. Understood? Right. Then you can fill by hydrogen. Here CH3 will come. Isn't it? CH3 here H. Understood? Now see this carbon atom. Around the carbon atom, all the groups are different, no? So it is a chiral carbon. It is a chiral compound. It is a optically active compounds. Understood? But the question is what? It's not chiral. Now understood? So this is not answer, isn't it? So likewise we have to write all this. So now see the second one. 2-butanol. Butane means what? How many carbon we have? 4 carbon. Okay. Here the second place having what? OH group is there. Understood? Now you can fill by hydrogen. So what here? CH3, understood? Here CH2, okay. Here what? H will come. Here also what? CH3, understood? Right. Now this also what? This also a chiral carbon because around the carbon atom all the groups are different. No, so chiral carbon atom is represented by asterisk symbol. This is chiral carbon atom. Correct or not? Around the carbon atom all the groups are different. So this is a chiral. Okay, this is a chiral compounds. Okay. So this is not answer. Then come to the third one, 2,3 dibromopentane, 2,3, 2 pentane, no, pentane means how many carbon? Pentane means, 5 carbon, 2,3, 2 having 1 bromine, 3 having 1 bromine. Then fill by hydrogen, that how to fill up, here CH3, understood? Here H, here, here also H will come, here what? CH2, here what? CH3, understood? Right. 2,3 dibromopentane. Now come to the third one, fourth one, 3-bromopentane. 3-bromopentane means what? I'll write it here. 3, okay. Now see that fourth one is 3-bromopentane. I'll write it here. Okay, 3 means here. Third place we put bromine. Depending you can that how to fill up by hydrogen. That CH2, understood? Here CH, understood? Here also CH2, here also what? Understood, right? See, around the carbon atom here, CH3, here ethyl group is present, here also ethyl group is present, here the 2 groups are similar. Okay, 2 groups are similar means, so what? This is the answer, 3-bromopentane. Here, no, see the question is what? Not chiral. Not chiral means here the 2 groups are similar is present. Okay, then when it's called, answer is what? D is the correct one. Understood? D is the correct option. Understood? Right. Next one. One alkene is given, HBr is added in presence of peroxide to get A. Again, one alkene is there, HBr is present. Here, absence of peroxide to get B. That's a question. Okay. See that? Peroxide means here, suppose here, we should follow anti-Markovnikov rule. Anti-Markovnikov rule means, so I'll write it here, just try to understand. Here, how to split this one, H plus, Br minus. And wherever double bond is present, we can split. Understood? We can split it here. Understood? Okay. So, which carbon having less number of hydrogen? Actually, peroxide means we should follow anti-Markovnikov rule. So, which carbon having more number of hydrogen? So, this carbon having 1 hydrogen, this carbon having 2 hydrogen. So, the negative part goes to this is a negative part. No, this is a negative part. The negative part goes to carbon atom which carries more number of hydrogen. Understood? So, automatically the positive part goes to other side. Understood? Positive part goes to other side. I'll write it once again. It's not writing properly. I'll write it once again. Just listen. I write it here. CH3. Okay. CH2. Very simple. Okay. Right. Plus, that, HBr. HBr is added. No, HBr. HBr. Understood? Right. So here, I told wherever double bond is present, we have to split like this. Okay. Here we can split into plus and minus. Understood? Okay. Right. CH2. No. Right. CH2. Okay. So here, this is peroxide means what? Anti-Markovnikov rule. So, the negative part goes to carbon atom which carries more number of hydrogen. The negative part goes to carbon atom which carries more number of hydrogen. So negative part goes here. Automatically you know that positive part goes this side. The product will be what? Understand the concept CH3, CH2. Understood? Here CH. You also know Br goes this side. No, H goes this side. So it becomes what? CH2 again. CH2 Br. So now you know that, and you know the product name is what? 1-bromo-butane. Understood? Where 1-bromo-butane? So option A having 1-bromo-butane. Okay. Likewise, this is added according to this is peroxide. No, but here no peroxide is there. So you should add. You should add it according to Markovnikov rule. Understood? Okay. So answer. This also we can write like this. See, I'll write here CH3, CH. Understood? Double bond C. Here CH3. Here also CH3. Understood? Here plus H. HBr is added. HBr is added. Okay. Right. Here peroxide, but here no peroxide. No peroxide means it's a Markovnikov rule. So as usual, we can split like this. Plus minus. I told wherever double bond is present, we can split like this. Understood? Okay. So this carbon having no hydrogen, but this carbon having hydrogen. So it is Markovnikov rule. No. So negative part goes to this carbon atom. The positive part goes to this carbon atom. Understood? You know that. Okay. So the product will be what? Product will be CH3, CH. Understood? Then double bond becomes single bond. Understood? Okay. Here H will come. No. Automatically this is CH2. Here C. Here CH3. Understood? Here also CH3. Down we have what? Down we have Br. So you know the name. When you give the number from right to left, 2-bromo 2-methyl butane. 2-bromo 2-methyl butane. So answer is what? A is the correct one. Understood? Answer A is the correct one. Understood? Are you following? Next one. Identify A and B of the following. See A. It's also same thing. That alkene is there, HA is there. Try to understand. Okay. Right. Here I split only one common, so I will put. Here the common is like, isn't it? Here double bond is present here. Here CH3. Okay. As usual. Then HA is added. And HA is added means what? Here it is split into that plus minus. Understood? Right. Here the negative part is a negative part. No, it goes to carbon atom. So in this carbon no hydrogen. In this carbon we have one hydrogen. Are you following? In this carbon no hydrogen, but in this carbon having one hydrogen. So negative part goes here, positive part goes this side. The product will be what? This is a product. Product will be CH3. Here I. Understood? This is a product. Understood? Right. So the same carbon we have iodine as well as methyl. So 1-iodo, 1-methyl cyclohexane. 1-iodo, 1-methyl cyclohexane. So answer A is the correct option. Understood? A is the correct option. Understood? 1-iodo. We found out only one. A only we found out. Okay. Then B is also heat UV light. UV light means replace sp3 hydrogen. Suppose I write it here. I write it here. It's a common, no? Okay. Then here Br. Here plus Br2. Okay. So when whenever if you see sunlight, bromine added in presence of sunlight. No. Okay. It replaces sp3 hydrogen. This is sp3 hydrogen. This is sp3 hydrogen. This is sp3 hydrogen. This is sp3 hydrogen. Okay. But these two are sp2 carbon. Understood? So we can replace. Whenever if you add light energy, replace sp3 hydrogen by halogen. So the bromine will come here. So bromine will come here means we can say what? 1-bromo 1-bromo cyclo. Here this answer 1-bromo cyclo X. Okay, X2-ene. Okay, understood? Right. Are you following? This answer. This answer. Yes, the correct one. Understood? Right. Simply, if you know Markovnikov rule, anti-Markovnikov rule, H nu means light energy. Okay, so light. If you see H nu means you must know adding halogen or it will replace sp3 hydrogen by halogen. Understood? Right. Next one. Simple one. Benzene plus chlorine, chlorobenzene. Correct or not? Chlorobenzene. Then to the chlorobenzene, see A is what you can understood. No. Benzene plus chlorine, chlorobenzene. You take the chlorobenzene. Fourth one also simple. Benzene plus chlorine, we get chlorobenzene. So what? That is simple, Okay, benzene. So this is it's called A. Understood? Right? Chlorobenzene. Then chlorobenzene, CH3Cl, CH3Cl, sodium is added. Okay, because of sodium. So whenever if you see sodium means here we can add sodium. Okay, whenever if you add sodium means it's a Woods fitting reaction. So this also we should write 2 times. This also we should write 2 times. So we get one hydrocarbon. What hydrocarbon means? We get toluene. Okay. So this is A. B is what? Toluene. Understood? Right. So answer, A is chlorobenzene, B is toluene. So answer what? This is the correct one. The correct one. Understood? Right. Next one. Simple. Which one is most reactive towards SN1 reaction? SN1 means just remember simple. Who is more favored means tertiary is more favored. This only just keep in mind. Then that's all. So among this we should find out which one is tertiary means C is a tertiary. CH5 C says CH3. This is a tertiary compounds. Okay. So tertiary is more favored. So that answer C is the correct one. Understood? Right. Next one. Trichloroacetaldehyde reacts with chlorobenzene in presence of sulfuric acid to produce. Answer will be DDT. The DDT structure is given. See, trichloroacetaldehyde means what's the formula? Trichloro. CCl3. Okay, so I'll write it here. Right. Simple. CCl3 CHO. CHO outright means we can write like this. C double bond O. Plus, reacts with chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene means what? Chlorobenzene means, put chlorobenzene. Okay, chlorobenzene. In presence of, constant sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, the product will be simple. Okay, H2. Sulfuric acid is a dehydrating agent. No, it removes water molecule from the compounds. So the product will be what? This is a product. CCl3 C. Okay, H. Understood? H. 2 bond. No, 1 bond goes to this chlorobenzene. Another bond goes to this chlorobenzene. The product will be like this. Understood? The product will be like this. Okay, right? Understood? Okay. So the product will be what? C is the correct one. That are not CH, CCl3, here CCl3. So 2 side to chlorobenzene. The answer what? C is the correct one. Understood? Right. Next one. An hydrocarbon C5H10 does not react with chlorine in dark, but it gives a single monochlorocarbon C5H9Cl in bright sunlight. Identify the hydrocarbon. See, C5H10 means it's a formula for maybe alkene or cycloalkane. Understood? So here, so that it produces only monochlorocarbons in presence of sunlight. Sunlight means it must be alkane only, cycloalkane. Cycloalkane. So 5 carbon. No. So cycloalkane means I put like this. That is cyclo. Are you following? Called what? Cyclo. Generally cycloalkane, but 5 carbon is present. Then only I am saying what? This is called what? Cyclopentane. Are you following? It's called what? Cyclopentane. Cyclopentane. Understood? Right. Then it reacts with, interacts with what? It forms only monochlorocompounds. Interacts with chlorine. Understood? Chlorine. It reacts with chlorine to form, they are saying what? Monochlorocompounds. Okay, monochlorocompound means we can replace any one place by, okay. So they are asking, what's the question means? They are asking only the identify the hydrocarbons. So what hydrocarbon means? This hydrocarbon, no? Okay. So answer, this answer, cyclopentane is the answer because of C5H10. Okay. So answer, A is the correct one. Are you following? A is the correct one. Understood? So this type of question only it comes in NEET examinations. So first study the name reaction thoroughly, then some important reactions also study thoroughly. Then only can you crack your NEET examination within one time. Understood? Okay. Any doubt means you can ask in comment sections. Okay. Thank you, students. We will see the next class. Thank you.